Hey everybody, Mr. Johnston here. I want to take a couple of minutes on this screencast to show you how you can explore atomic orbitals a little bit more using a piece of software that you can get from self-service, or you should have already gotten from self-service, called Atomsmith. And what you're going to do is you're going to build some atomic orbitals, and then you're going to take some screenshots and write some captions to explain what you observe and what you learn as you go through this. So to start with, you're going to go to your desktop, and again, you should have already downloaded Atomsmith from self-service. And the easiest way to open up Atomsmith is just to do Command Spacebar and type in Atomsmith, and it should pop up. The icon looks like this colorful molecule. And when you open up the Atomsmith classroom, it actually sometimes just pops up right here at the very top in your menu bar. And then you need to, sometimes it opens up automatically, sometimes you got to open up those two windows. So what I did was on the menu bar, when you see those words, the Atomsmith Classroom, you know that the program has started. And if you make sure that the experiment browser is open and the model window is open. And then once you have that, we're going to use a part of this called the the orbital lab. The way that you find that is again at the menu bar at the very top. There is a simulation menu, and so again, you're looking for this simulation menu up at the top, and that's a drop down. So open the orbital lab. I want to open that orbital lab, and now I get this other window that comes up. And here's how I can build atomic orbitals. So you can, N is the energy level, so you can select the energy level. And I'm going to go ahead and build a 1s orbital. So I'm going to select the 1 energy level. And then you have only an s orbital to choose from there. And again, you only have that 1s to choose from. Now I have the orbital pops up over in this model window. Another thing that you can do is you can animate the electrons. And so if you want to animate the electrons, you have to hit this Animate the Electrons button. And what you'll notice then is a little blue dot starts to bounce around. That little blue dot happens to be the electron. The cool thing about this is you can like zoom in. So if I hit this little magnifying glass, I can zoom in and kind of get a closer look at how that electron is behaving. Now I can also zoom out, and I can rotate things around, and I can manipulate it that way. What we would like you to do is we would like you to take some screenshots of the actual model that you've built. And the way that you're going to take a screenshot is you're going to push the buttons on your keyboard, Command, Control, Shift, 4. That was Command, Control, Shift, 4. Then you get this little plus sign that shows up on your screen. Your cursor changes. And now what I can do is I can select the area of my screen that I would like to screenshot. So I select this atomic orbital that I just built, and that's what I want to screenshot. Once I've screenshotted it, now it's on my clipboard. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to my template slides, and I'm going to simply push Command V. And now what I just screenshotted shows up here, and I can move the picture around so that it fits into the space where I would like to show that screenshot. And what we would like you to do is to write a caption for this picture. And the whole thing is we want you to describe what you observe. And so if I was going to write a few things about what I observe here. I might write like, I don't know, the 1s orbital is a sphere. So thinking about the shape. I might write things like the electron was zooming and flying all around. And the electron didn't stay in one spot. So you can continue to, write whatever observations you made, and we would like you to, get 4 or 5 observations. As you go through this, we did include like the drop-down menus, what those should look like. So if I want to build the 1s and 2s orbitals, I'm going to make sure that I have the drop-down menus so that they match. So I gotta make sure I want that, and I got like this, and so on, right? If you have any questions, go ahead and make sure that you ask, reach out for help, and good luck.